Hey guy, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. This is currently up channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use BingX P2P trading. BingX, you can see the BingX. This is BingX. Use my link below this video to sign up. So when you use my link, you should verify your account. To verify your account, you can use your BVN or identity card, whichever one you want to use. You can use it to verify your account. And let me show you how to do that. Because if you don't verify your account, you will not be able to do some certain things on their app. You can see. So come to your profile at the top here. Come to your profile. Okay. Sorry for the mix up. Come to your profile. Click on this profile here at the top. Now you can see that I've done my verification. You can see I've actually done my verification. You can see. So if you have done a verification, you are going to see verify. So let me click on it to show you. So let me see what is there. You can see that. So when you do a verification, it will tell you success. So you can see it will tell you what success, that you have actually done your verification. So there is no doubt about that. You can see. So if you want to identify, if you want to transfer your identity, you can also do that. If you want to transfer it to another account, you can see. So I've done my, you can see that this is before KYC. This is before KYC and this after KYC. So what you can do before, what you cannot do before KYC are this. You can see. And what you can do after KYC are this. You can see that. So you cannot deposit, and you cannot make any withdrawal or any fiat currency. You cannot trade anything. So you have to do your KYC. So it's very simple. So let me check. So let me click on the few details so that you can see. You can see that after doing your KYC, it will take you to this. You can see. So make your deposit, receive up to $500. So don't sleep on this. You can also click on modify to modify any of your accounts. So I'm not going to do that. So let me go back to this P2P. Now after you verify your account, so you come to this interface. So you're going to see P2P. Let's say you want to buy your local currency, as in with your local currency. So click on more. Click on more. So click on P2P. Click on P2P. So click on P2P. So you're going to see different vendor. You can see. So this is buy. If you want to buy with your local currency, you can check on this. Just click on this. Click on this. So when you click on this, you can change it to your currency. You can see this is Nigerian naira. You can see you can change it to your own currency. Any country you are can it to any, so you can change your currency. You can see we have different currency there. If you are getting value from this video, so subscribe to my channel and share this video. So you can check this different vendor. Now to choose any vendor, make sure you click on the vendor. You can see this one that's recommended. You can see. So these are the things that you check. Make sure that the vendor is what? If it's a verified vendor. If you, okay, let's say I want to click on this person now. So if I click on this person, let's say I click on buy. So if I click on buy, it will take me to, you can see, let's say that it's taking me to do this. You can see, click on, you click here, you can see. So the limit you can buy from this vendor, the limit you can buy is this. So if the limit is not, if you're not satisfied with the limit, you come back here. So make sure you check everything. Make sure that it is what bank transfer. So now when you do that, if you're not satisfied, you can scroll down. See that you can see, you can scroll down, or you can click on, you can filter, you can just click on amount. You can click on amount. So when you click on an amount, it will tell you how much do you want to buy. So you just click on that and enter the amount you want to buy. So you can see that. So this is how to enter. You can just click on this. You can enter any amount you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy on 1 million. You can see. You can see this is how to enter it. Very simple like that. You can see. So click on OK. So let's I want to buy. Let's I want to buy 500,000. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now it will take you to different vendors that are selling within that amount. You can see. So when you filter, it will give you quick vendor that can sell to you. Can see this one is saying what ineligible. You can see this person is ineligible, so you cannot buy from this person. So make sure you check it properly before you buy. You check some. So this vendor is online. You can see that it's online. So let's say I want to buy. Just click on buy. You can see. So if you click on bank transfer, so let's see what is there. You can see. So bank transfer, I think that is what that's the only one there. So bank transfer, so you can see now. So that bank transfer is the best. So after you enter the amount you want to buy, you do what? You click on what? You check this box. Then click on buy. See back that. Then it will give you an account to pay. So if you're not satisfied with the vendor, you can check another. So you can check the second vendor, or you can just what? If you have another payment method, you can click on payment method here. So that's how to do it. You can click on this vendor. You can click on this payment method to check another payment method you want to use. You can see. So we have different payment method here, but I would prefer you choose what bank transfer. Then you click on what confirm. So that is that. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So this is Kehinde up. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.